What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm talking low because everybody is home again, and this is the only time I really can film, but I got a Influenster box today with some super exciting goodies inside that I'm super excited about, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today. So if you're excited to see what kind of goodies I got in my Influencer box, keep watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's open my box. So Influencer reached out to me in my email saying that I had an opportunity to do another Vox box. If you don't know what Influencer is, it is a app where you just go on there and pretty much just review your everyday products that you use, and eventually you can start getting emails to get free things that they send to you. I usually get a box every month or every other month, which is really awesome. So this box is the new Garnier Fructis, I don't know how to say it, treats, shampoo and conditioner. So this is what it looks like, and I'm like really excited about it. And of course my battery is flashing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. This is what the inside looks like, and I'm really excited about everything that's in here, and I will do a review video on them as well because I did just take a shower and I used all of the products in here. So I'm actually really excited to talk more about it in my next video about it, so keep a lookout for that. But yes, so Garnier just launched these products and I'm going to talk about them. I saw Jess talking about them on her Insta story, and I was so excited that I actually got the box that they were in. So it is shampoo, conditioner, and then you have a hair mask inside. So I got the hydrating treat and aloe extract for normal hair. I actually have dry and damaged hair, but this is the one they sent me and I actually really loved it. It's a hydrating treat shampoo, more moisture, less way down. It is a vegan formula and no silicones in there. So this is the shampoo, and it smells amazing. It smells like really good. And then this is the hydrating treat conditioner, same thing, vegan formula. This detangles, nourishes, and hydrates your hair, which is really important for me, since my hair is really damaged from all the blonding that I do on it. So this is the conditioner. And then I also, like I said, got the hair mask. So I've actually used their hair masks before, not this one specifically because this is a new one, but I used the banana something hair mask and I absolutely loved it. But this one is the same thing, hydrating treat, 1 minute hair mask, vegan formula, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colors in there, which I think is really awesome. All you do is, if you want to use it as a mask after your shampoo, you apply it onto your wet hair and leave on for 1 minute, and then you just rinse it. But if you want to use it as a conditioner after you shampoo, apply to your hair from the root to the top, and then you rinse it. And then as a leave-in, you can apply onto your damp hair for frizz control and lasting hydration. So they all smell so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells amazing. If you're like at your local Walmart or Target, you should go and just smell it because it's literally so good. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my Vox box. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video reviewing the products for you guys, so I will tell you more about them in that video. So keep a lookout for that one, and I'm super excited about it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me and the video that's gonna come out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you have used their products before because I absolutely love them, and I think you guys will too. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next one.